Installing the extending battery cabinet. Lift the battery cabinet onto the base. Fix the front door at suitable angle. Thread the 4 expansion boards through the installation holes at the bottom of the battery cabinet, and then tighten the boards diagonally. Remove the 4 rubber covers at corners on the top of the battery cabinet. Remove the horizontal cover plate. Install the upper cabling cover plate, and then tighten the screws. Lift the cabinet. Installing the APM30 power cabinet. Fix the power distribution cabinet onto the battery cabinet.